Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to identify your KLX. That is your VIN number and your engine serial number. Alright, so your VIN number is right up here behind the suspension in the front. You've got your VIN number right here. Behind all these cables here, you can see those numbers right there. That is where your VIN number is located. Your engine number is going to be back here behind the exhaust. Alright, so you come in right here behind the exhaust and there's the starter motor over there. And you have this vent pipe right here. If you just peek right through here, you can see that number back in there by that vent. Your serial number for your engine right here, right by that breather pipe there. There's a little bit of a flat part on the engine. You'll be able to see it real easy. Thanks for watching this video. That's how to find the identification on your bike. Be sure to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of these other videos I've got here, and I'll see you in the next video.